Hey guys, welcome to Illustrator Guide 3.2 Extended Info for the Envelope Distort tool. So you guys may have been wondering why I was using the word knife to teach you this lesson, and that's because I had this cool knife shape that I wanted to use to show you guys how this tool works. But it turns out that the simpler the shape is, the easier it is to learn this tool. And when I tried to use complex shapes like this, as you can see here, it just wasn't really able to handle it. It just did all sorts of weird stuff. I found that by simplifying both the text and the shape itself, I was able to get slightly better results, but with complex shapes like these, it just turns out that the tool really isn't able to handle it the way you would like it to, and you have to get down into the nitty-gritty and adjust the anchor points one by one in order to get it to look the way you want it to look. I even tried making a simplified version of the knife itself and a simplified font as well, but as you can see, the tool still isn't able to do exactly what you want it to do. It does all this weird stuff. The letters come outside of the lines, yada yada. So that was disappointing. I did learn, however, that with some slightly simplified but weird shapes, I was able to get the tool to work, which was nice. So you don't just have to have an oval or a rectangle or whatever. You can have some kind of strange shapes. I found out that roundness also in the shape itself and the letters also helps to get the desired outcome or effect. The tool was able to handle this shape and turn it into, a weird shape, but something that's still legible and readable. So here's another example of that. Again, you have to always remember to arrange and bring the shape object to the top. So, and also make sure that your text is grouped. Both of those things are very important. As you can see, it makes it with the top object itself. Again, still readable, still legible with those. So those are just some extra little things that I learned with the tool as I was messing around with it. I hope this adds some extra knowledge to your toolbox. Another thing I learned, I tried turning this all into one single shape itself. See how all the letters are connected. I learned the size of the text itself. It doesn't really matter. It's going to turn it into the size of the shape. And also the location and all that stuff don't really make a difference like they would for the blend tool, for example. All that stuff doesn't really matter. It's going to make the shape for you in the location and size of the shape itself. So here's another final example. I hope you guys will subscribe. I hope these extra little videos are educational for you. I like to keep the original videos, short and sweet and right to the point, so you guys can learn exactly what you're trying to learn. And then I'm going to make these 0.2 videos from now on in the future, so you can learn a little bit of extra knowledge about the tool. But if you're in a rush and you just want to learn what you want to learn real quick, the original videos will be mostly under 3, hopefully under 2 minutes, so you can learn what you want to learn right away, and then you can click these 0.2 videos to get some extra knowledge. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button. I'm taking any suggestion for any video that a subscriber leaves in the comments from now until I reach 1,000 followers, and maybe even afterwards. So if you have something specific that you want to learn, just hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you don't mind, and just leave a comment with a suggestion or a question or anything like that, and I will literally make a video within a week or less for any of my subscribers from here until I reach 1,000 subscriber count. So if that sounds like something you want to, like I said, just hit the subscribe button, and if you have a question, just ask it, and I'll literally make a video for you right away as soon as I see it. You know, I'll answer your question for you in the comments right away, but like I said, I'll be making a video for anybody that leaves a suggestion that is a subscriber. So yeah, hope to see you guys back for more of these lessons. I also teach a ton of other applications, so please check out the rest of my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.